if you're talking about the healthcare as a whole, it's already 65 billion in India currently, and very soon we are going to witness a major surge in the productivity. It might go to 300 billion as well. The kind of growth, the double-digit growth, I think the only sector which is having almost double the GDP, the growth, while every other sector is reeling under a single digit or much less. This is a sector where the growth is phenomenal, and we have industry leaders and with a lot of conviction. I think like that. When the doctor prescribes drugs, I don't even take. I tend to forget actually. But ఒకటి మనం తప్పనిసరిగా మనం అగ్రి చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, వరల్డ్ వైడ్ మానవుడి జీవితం ఇంత పొల్యూషన్లోనూ, ఇంత దేశకాల పరిస్థితుల్లోనూ ఇంకా తట్టుకొని నిలబడుతూ ఉంది. ఇంకా లైఫ్ స్పాన్ పెరిగింది. ఇది ఎవరు కాదలేని సత్యం. ప్రతి వాడు ఒకప్పటికి 50 ఏళ్ళకే ముసలివాళ్ళు అయిపోయి ఉండేవారు. ఇప్పుడు 50 ఏళ్ళు అంటే ఎవరు కెన్ మేక్అవుట్. యూ మే నాట్ బి ఏబుల్ టు టెల్ మై ఏజ్ ఆల్సో లైక్ దట్. యాక్చువల్లీ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ దేర్ లైఫ్ స్పాన్, అండ్ ఐ థింక్ డెఫినెట్గా దానికి మూల కారణం ఔషధ పరిశ్రమ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. But for little problems within like any other sector, we also have some issues which normally getting addressed. Eventually, ఔషధ పరిశ్రమ అనేది ప్రగతికి ఒక ఆలంబన. It's really a major pillar for the society at large and the country's economical growth at large. And I'm pretty sure the conventions like this, expos like this will be a fillip for the growth of the industry and the development of the country at large, economic growth. And these are the platforms where we get to see the eminent scientists. In fact, many of the scientists, you don't believe, they are coming on their own voluntarily. In fact, I was told they expressed their interest. People from the eminent universities, United States of America, Canada, United Kingdom, even from countries like China, the eminent scholars, the scientists in different healthcare and pharmaceutical sectors are landing out here, and it's a major converge of knowledge, and we all will be very grateful and we'll be very happy that this event is happening in our own city, Hyderabad. I request even all the press media also give enough coverage to this, to take this to the media industry, etc. Eventually for their benefit. Certainly it's going to be a big event, my dear friends. We're going to see you soon again, and there is a film showed here. Yeah. And I hand over to the founder of this, the president of this organization, Mr. Anmol Garu, to give his speech.